How to check Walmart gift card balance. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to check your balance for your Walmart gift card, in today's video, we will be guiding you how. So, what you may do is you can basically directly head over to your browser, open it up, and then search for Walmart gift card, and you should be finding some results available. So, you can directly head over to this result called Check Walmart gift card balance online. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should be headed towards the page of walmart.com. Yeah, so here what you may do is you may just go and provide in the details of your gift card. So you need to provide in the 16 digits of your gift card right here, the card number. And after that is then you'll pin the 4-digit one that you usually use in order to check out. So you can just go ahead and enter it up and tap on check balance, and that way you can just go ahead and look out for your balance for gift card. If you're using physical card, you can scratch off the silver coating on the back of the card to reveal and last 4 digits of the 16-digit number, and then enter up the pin, and you can find the pin in the confirmation email. And once that is done, you should be finding your balance that way also. To check your balance, you will need to exchange your gift card for one with a pin, and you can do that in any of the Walmart store available. Even if that doesn't work, you can look out for this number available and call them out and see. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you'd like to check your Walmart gift card balance. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.